Next 20th sum, they given A, B, C 3 matrix. Find the matrix D. இங்கே variable find பண்ண சொல்ல. Find the matrix D. ஒரு new matrix. Yeah, that means matrixல எத்தனை elements அந்த matrix ஃபுல்லா நம்ம find பண்ணணும். Such that they given the condition CD minus AB equal to 0. இங்கே D அப்படிங்கிறது என்னன்னா one matrix, not a variable. Capital letterல denote பண்ணாங்கன்னா that is a matrix. Given condition CD minus AB equal to 0. This minus AB equation not go means plus. 0 plus AB, AB. Upper CD equal to AB. For C, we write the C matrix. For D, write the D matrix. For A, we write the A matrix. For B, we write the B matrix. But we don't know the D matrix. D matrix on the question la kudukave illaya. So we denote the D matrix D equal to ABCD. Given matrix, all the matrix are 2 by 2 matrix. அதனால D யும் 2 by 2 matrix எடுத்துக்கிறேன். அது உள்ள என்ன elements இருக்குன்னு நமக்கு தெரியாது. So take the variables A, B, C, D 2 by 2 matrix. Now we have the condition CD equal to AB. For C, we write the C matrix 3, 6, 1, 1. D matrix, let the D matrix is ABCD. அதோட elements என்னன்னு தெரியாது, அதனால ABCD ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். Equal to, for A matrix we write A 3, 0, 4, 5. B matrix 6, 3, 8, 5. In these two matrix we have into symbol. In these two matrix we have nothing, so consider as into. Multiple means how you multiple the two matrix. In first matrix we take the rows. In second matrix we take the column. Same like that. In this first matrix we take row. In second matrix we take the column. How you multiple? First row 3, 6. This first row into first column. First column is AC. Again first row into second column B and D. Then come down. Second row into first column. What is the second row? 1, 1. First column is AC. Again second row into second column B and D equal to, same like that here, two matrix. How we multiple the two matrix? Take the first row, then multiple these two columns. First row 3, 0, first column 6, 8. Again first row 3, 0, second column 3 and 5. Then come down, second row 4, 5, first column 6, 8. Again 4, 5, 3 and 5. Multiple these elements. First element into first, second into second, first into first, second into second, first into first, second into second, first into first, second into second. Here also first, second, first into first, second into second, first into first, second into second, first into first, second into second. 3 into A, 3A, plus into plus plus, 6 into C, 6C, 3 into B, 3B, plus into plus, 6 into D, 6D, 1 into A, 1A, 1 into C, 1C, 1 into B, 1B, 1 into D, 1D equal to, right side 3, 6 are 18, plus into plus plus, 0 into anything 0, 3 3s are 9, 0 into anything 0, 4 6 are 24, plus into plus plus, singing plus, so plus symbol, 5 8s are 40, 4 3s are 12, plus into plus plus, 5 5s are 25. We cannot add these two numbers because it is a variable A, here variable C, different variable, so cannot add. As it is, right, 3A plus 6C, A plus C, 3B plus 6D, B plus D. Now here add the numbers 18, 9, 64, 37. Now these two matrices are equal matrices. Equate the corresponding elements. 3A plus 6C equal to 18. In this equation all the numbers are divisible by 3. So divided by 3 means we get 3A divided by 3 plus 6C divided by 3 equal to 18 by 3. 3 3 cancel, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 3 is 3, 6 3s are 18. So A plus 2C equal to 6. Take equation 1. Now equate the third element and third element. Why we cannot equate the second and second means, in this first equation we have the variable A and C. but in second element we have the variable b and d, different variable, but third element a and c. So equate the third element and third element. A plus c equal to 64. It is the take equation 2. In equation we have two variable. So how you find the answer? Using the elimination method. Elimination method means we cancel any one of the variable. First you check the coefficient. Here a coefficient 1, here also 1, but signs are same are the we cannot cancel. So subtract these two equations, 1 minus 2. So change the sign for all the elements in second equation. Plus c and minus c will be cancelled. Here 2c, here minus c. 2c minus c, we get 1c equal to 64 is the largest number. So put minus symbol because 64 is a minus sign. 64 minus 6, 58. We find the c value. Substitute the c value in equation 2. What is the equation 2? A plus c equal to 64. A plus c equal to 64. A value c value minus 58 equal to 64. This minus 58 equation out of means plus 58. Both of them same sign. So add the number a equal to 122. Same like that. Now equate the second element and second element. Then fourth element equal to fourth element. Why means second element and fourth element have the same variable b and d. First element and third element have a same variable, so we take 1 and 2. Now second element and fourth element. What is third element? Second element 3b plus 6d equal to 9. Equate the second and second. 3b plus 6d equal to 9. All the numbers are divisible by 3, so divided by 3 means 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So answer is b plus 2d equal to 3. Third equation. Fourth element and fourth element, b plus d equal to 37. In this two equation we have two variables. Anyone want to cancel, so using the elimination method. In elimination method you want to cancel any one of the variable. எப்படி cancel பண்ணனும்னா having the coefficients are same. b ஓட coefficient இங்க b ஓட coefficient same இருக்கு, but signs are same sign இருந்தா we cannot cancel. So changing the sign for fourth equation, minus minus minus. So equation 3 minus 4 we get plus b and minus b will be cancelled. Here 2d, here minus 1d. 2d minus 1d we get 1d equal to here minus 37, here 3. Which one is largest? 37 is largest. Upper 37 minus 3, answer is 34. Now substitute the d value in equation 4. What is the fourth equation? b plus d equal to 37. b, what is the d value? Minus 34 equal to 37. This minus 34 equation out of means getting positive. 37 plus 34, answer is 71. Now the result. Required d matrix a b c d. We find all the value of a b c d value. So a value 122, b value 71, c value minus 58, d value minus 34. In this sum we find the new matrix D, not a variable. D is a one matrix.